that? You get the crayon?
Murahin na kasi puputulin lang ito. Babalatan mo.
I'll go. What's next? Your writing pad.
Wait lang.
Writing pad niya. Yung may red and ano. Go. Find it. Hindi naman 8 colors yung binili mo. 12 to. Ito daw. Come on. Go, the car. Come here. Come here, come here.
This way, mommy.
This way, this way. Find your pencil. The black. Daw, ito daw. Pencil niya, yung black na malaki.
No. Colors.
Find the mango.
Mommy, crayons.
Yeah, you only have the crayons. What about the pencil?
No.
This one. Jumbo. Yeah. Jumbo magkano to? Made in Philippines. Oh. No ka dyan. Oh, let's go. Oh, hihila mo. Pencil or the other one? Go. Daddy. Daddy. Ano yung nahanap mo? Sabi ko tulungan mo. Books daw. One book. Ano shopping mo? Go. What's that? Hey, come here, anak. Come here. Not yet done.
Pila na dito eh.
Kaya nga. Oh, come here. Find more. Go na, yung writing pad mo, hanap mo. What's that? Daw. Which one? What are you gonna use? Oh, this one. You need this one. Oh, you choose. You choose for your pencil. You didn't need this one. This one. Sharpener. Oh. That small sharpener, anak. You need the big one. No, you need the big hole. Oh, what about this one? Oh, like this one. Oh, wow. What's that? May I see? What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a sharpener.
Yes.
An eraser. Oh, it's a car. Yeah. Let's find more. Let's find more.
Yes.
It's let's find more. It's also a car. Is that okay for you? Is that okay? Oh, let's go. pad nga. Yun nga yung laro namin nung Kaya nga, writing pad nga. Tatlo nga lang pinapabili ko sa'yo eh.
Kumuha ko ng kahit ano kasi wala sila talagang ano.
Ayun yung grade 1 nga doon.
Oh, mommy did it.
Kasi eraser pa. Kaya ano,
Sharpener niya.
bakit ganyan?
Car. Oh, come here. Let's find your writing pad. Adam. Tingnan mo yung... Oh, come here. Let's find your writing pad. No, you stay here. Hindi pa naman siya ano. For grade 1. Ah, here. Oh, let's go na to tata. You pay it na. Oh, come here. Ay, ito pala anak. Ay, sorry po. Ito na lang anak. Oh, go to tatay na. Oh, go na. Mas tatay na. Where's tatay? Here. Where's tatay?